back at the book fair. This time to look at the books, really look at the books. So let's go in and really look at the books. Okay, this publishing house specializes in Tamil books. Let's see what they have. There's a lot of literature, fiction, but there is also a book on the history of Jaffna. That's in English. The antiquity of Khantarodai. Okay, so that's archaeology for you. Also interesting, I saw, actually I was here a couple of days back and I saw a copy of Mein Kampf by Adolf Hitler in translation. It's gone now, so that means it's sold out. I asked them, they said they don't have any other copies. But that's very interesting because I hear that Mein Kampf is read in India. Certainly not one of my favorite authors. What he said, he continues to be in print and somewhere in the world. Okay, and there was also Ernesto Guevara, a perennially favorite author. This is the Motorcycle Diaries, one of his books which he, it narrates the story of his epic journey across Latin America. These are images from the movie with his friend Dr. Alberto Granado as a very young man when he was still a medical student, where he formed his ideas of social change and revolution. So very interesting. There was also a copy of his reminiscences of the Cuban Revolution that is gone. Earl Stanley Gardner, also from my school days. I had quite a lot of them. I still have all books. This is the case of the horrified heirs. I don't think I've read this one. Right. Later on he wrote as A.A. Fair, Earl Stanley Gardner. Dracula, Bram Stoker's Dracula, but it's a very thick book, the original. I don't think it's the whole thing, but nice to see, well, Dracula again. I remember the movies. The Lair of the White Worm, from the author of Dracula, Bram Stoker. I haven't heard of this one. That's interesting. Really? Did he write this? I suppose he did. Otherwise they wouldn't claim. මුද්දර කාර්යශයත් වෙළඳාරක් පවත්වාගෙන යනවා කාලයක් මුද්දර එකතු කරපු කෙනෙක් හැටියට නිකම්ම වගේ මම මෙතනට ඇදුනා. There are stamp packs for sale here now. This one, for example, these are 2011 pictorial stamps. This is priced at 1,400 rupees. The price differs according to the vintage age of stamps. And we are not going to miss Dan Brown, are we? Inferno. 1,250 rupees, hefty price, but well, fans are not going to worry about that, I suppose. Da Vinci Code. Lots of Daniel Steele. It seems to be everywhere. And Dan Brown, quite a lot of books. The Symbol. Some of these smaller publishing houses have very interesting books in translation. This one, for example, Zen in the Art of Archery by Eugen Herrigel. Is a translation. Is it philosophical? I have not heard of this author. Yes, it seems to be an exploration of Zen archery as it's applied in Zen. Yes, that's very interesting historical study of Zen archery. And well, we can't miss Ernesto Guevara anywhere. Here is True Notes from Bolivian Diary, translated. And this is Boris Plavoy. He is also everywhere. I remember Boris Plavoy from my school days. It's the story of a Soviet fighter pilot who lost a leg but returned to combat flying. I read it as a schoolboy, and it's still in print. It's good to see these books still being read. Yeah, this is about the Lebanese Civil War, and by a woman author, Ethel Adnan. Yes, these are very, very interesting translations, because in the earlier collections we saw a lot of commercial stuff, thrillers, romances, but this is really good quality books. Zoba the Greek. Oh, beautiful. I remember the movie, I remember the novel. Anthony Quinn, yes, and the music by Mikis Theodorakis, and the book is here, the translation. So for readers in Sinhala, there are a lot of the big choice now. Alexander Solzhenitsyn, The First Circle. I haven't seen such a good collection anywhere in any of these bookshops. Really, this is a very, very small publishing house. J.M. Coetzee, Disgrace, translated, and of course Earl Stanley Gardner, but they are not concentrating on thrillers here. Okay, I don't know this author, Narayan Wagle, Indian, Palpasa Cafe. Isabella Allende, Of Love and Shadows. And Ben Octree, the Nigerian author, winner of the Booker, The Famished Road. In translation, that's fantastic, and only 850 rupees. That is cheap compared to books this size. Most of them are priced over 1,000 rupees. The Diary of Anne Frank. I'm really impressed by this collection. 1984, George Orwell. And this is a Sri Lankan author, Manoranjana Mithya Katha Gupta Vishwasha Pilimada Vimasumak. That is a study of superstitions. This is a study of superstitions by a Sri Lankan author. Okay, this publisher has a really amazing collection. This is a Japanese author, Masanobu Fukuoka. 1913 to 2008. So that's a really contemporary author and a long life. Yes, and it's a study of farming, organic farming. That's very interesting. Okay. Yes, that's a very, very interesting collection, and the Muslim heritage of Eastern Sri Lanka. Historical studies. Impressive collection. I'm really impressed by the quality of the books, and they say they're selling. So I'm really impressed by the book collections. Now, readers in English have always had a choice of titles, but for readers in Sinhala, for readers in Tamil also, there's a huge amount of books published in India, but for readers in Sinhala, there's only books published in Sri Lanka. So when we look at the titles, they range from the 19th century to contemporary, and of course the bias is on the thrillers and romances, but you find an astonishing amount of really good books. The books that take time to read and understand, that you need to relax with a cup of coffee or whatever your favorite drink, that kind of book. In translation, I found, especially in some of the smaller publishers, which is very interesting. So we are always complaining here that people are not reading, they are not reading good books, they are reading rubbish, but that is not true. And they say that these books are selling well. So there's hope for the future. So it was wonderful being here. I mean, I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed, and I'm going home happily from the book fair and looking forward to the next one.